The Glaukos project is organizing a Stakeholder Lab workshop on the 3rd of March. One of the challenges that will be discussed during the workshop will be related to feedstock. Can you briefly explain what are these challenges and what we are looking for the first Stakeholder Lab workshop?
Sure. So in relation to feedstock, I mean, the idea is to produce bio-based chemicals that can be converted into bioplastics. And so we can make these bio-based chemicals from things like pure glucose, but this is of course not ideal. But on the one hand, it's more expensive, and on the other hand, this is also maybe competing with food sources and agricultural area that we want to use for something else. So the idea of Glaukos is to move away from things like pure glucose into more the area of industrial waste streams. And this can be very diverse, so it can be waste streams from the food industry. It can also be waste streams, for instance, from biodiesel industry or other places. And some of the challenges we face there is, on the one hand, of course, obtaining these feedstocks. This has to be a very reliable supply that has to be available at a large scale. So I think that the local industries that we talk to are a very important factor there. And another issue that we that we would like to discuss is also the things like the purity of the substrate feedstock, which is very important for us in the technical aspects of the biotechnological process. And then the last factor, which is very important, of course, is that the sustainability also has to work out. So there's a big difference. Where does the feedstock come from in the end? Is it a regional resource, or does it come all the way from Brazil or Indonesia or wherever? So this will also make an impact on the eventual life cycle of the whole process.
Thank you very much, Nick.
Thank you.